think this is my package. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I am a huge fan of this company called Touchdown Beauty, I believe. I say I believe because I really just use their edge control. Their edge control is called Edge Luxe, and I actually just found their Instagram. I posted a video of just the consistency and like the thickness of their braiding gel probably like 2 weeks ago. I tagged them, I reposted their video. Well, they reposted my video. And then also for Christmas, people know when it comes to Christmas and like gifts for me, I just prefer like stuff for like my business. So like braiding gel, braiding hair, all that stuff. So my guy, he got me a whole bunch of Edge Luxe braiding gel. So of course I tagged them again. Of course, being an influencer or a content creator or whatever you want to call it, you just want to make sure you contact these companies that you genuinely use so they can know that like their product is loved by somebody. They reposted my Christmas video, and in turn they wrote me in my messages and was like, you know, send us your address and we'll send you a free gift. So y'all, that really lit up my world because I just love this braiding gel. I love it so much. It's been amazing for my clients, and I genuinely posted about it like without even really communicating with them. This is just like, here's a braiding gel for my fellow stylists that I just really love, and it really holds good hair. So by them seeing my content, you know, they reached out to me and sent me free product, and I really think this is the box because I'm not expecting nothing else. So I'm about to open this up, and this just goes to show like, make sure for the content creators and like influencers or even like hairstylists that's wanting to work with companies, show these companies love that you're working with. Like, show them love, be visible to them so they can know like I said, somebody is using their product and loving their product genuinely before they even start sending you free stuff. You know, everything isn't about, y'all, this is the box. This is the box. But yeah, everything isn't about free stuff, but when you do have companies that you have invested into and they see your content and they want to invest back into you with their free product that you genuinely love, that's a blessing. But y'all, this is the box, and y'all see how it just took me off guard. It just took me off guard. I really just want to do this unboxing video so y'all can get a genuine like response. Now right now I just use their braiding gel. I didn't know they had any other products, but they said they would be sending me like foam and all that stuff. So I'm really excited because I love using like all of one line. Right now I use their products, their braiding gel with another foam when I finish my braids. So if they have foam, that's a freaking plus. So this is it right here. Oh my gosh, this is it right here. Oh my god. Okay, so I've used this red one before. They sent the smaller containers. So I did make a post when I originally posted about them that these containers right now are 2 for $7 at Beauty Master. So if you have a Beauty Master in your area, make sure you check these out. So these containers right here are 2 for $7. The bigger ones that I post on my TikToks are 2 for $15. So definitely make sure you post them out. So they sent that, they sent this, and they sent this. I've used actually all of these except, what scent is this? I think it's coconut. Is this coconut? Because it say coconut on the side, but I know they be having like, yeah, it smells like coconut. Let me see if they got the actual company name on here, because baby, it say Edge Luxe, but I never knew like Touchdown Beauty was their Instagram. But yeah, so but anyway, yeah, I got my product. So these are the different gels, and the only difference is one, the scent, and then all of them, like the purple one is a stronghold number 7, that's the highest. This one is a stronghold number 7, and this one is a stronghold number 6. I actually like using the red one on like my finer texture hair clients because it's not as like thick, because I do feel when the product is like super thick, like when I'm using the stronghold 7 or whatnot, it flakes up on my thin hair clients. So for clients with thinner hair textures, use this one. They sent their foaming wrap lotion, so this right here. So I think it's just like I don't know what this company is. I think it's just like a beauty company that sells different products, because like I was thinking like Edge Luxe, Braid Luxe. I thought that was the name of the company, but then the other products they sent, it doesn't really have anything Luxe on there. It has touchdown on there, like it has the touchdown thing on there, but I don't see touchdown on here. I don't know. I don't know. I'm doing too much, ain't I? But y'all, so this is the foam that they sent me right here. I've never seen this before in stores, so I'm really excited to use this. It says it's a foaming wrap lotion, so I will probably use this when I do my rod sets. I recently just did a rod set, and I usually use Lotta Body, but I'm excited to use this because it just looks very like it'll really hold something. So I'm excited, but I'm gonna definitely pair that with my braids. I got some braids on Thursday. I'm gonna use this and make some content with it. Ooh, this probably is really good. This is the Miracle Grow Instant Freezer Braids 2-in-1 Scalp Healing and Cooling. So it's a regrowth, strengthen, and repair. So this right here. So let me see, because it's giving like, it smells like tea tree. Ooh, and I really like how the tip opens. It's like a little hole in the top. You just squeeze it. I mean, not squeeze it, but twist it and it opens. Well, let me see how this smells. I'm a smeller. I like to smell my products. Yeah, it's giving tea tree. It's giving real tea tree, but it smells really good. But y'all, I'm super excited that I got my products, and I'm so excited to make content. Again, this isn't a paid video. This isn't a sponsored video, but they did send free products after I spent money using their products and just tagging them, and they seen like my content that I posted, and I'm assuming they liked it because they reached out and sent me some gifts. So I'm so excited to use these products. Thank you again. And then I also never noticed, like, one says Braid Lux, one says Edge Lux, but I've used both of these as braiding gel. I honestly think like Edge Control is braiding gel. Like, it's not really different. We both want a strong hold on our braids and on our edges, so I didn't notice. So for my followers that follow me, I've used all of them. I don't think it's a difference with one saying Braid Lux and one saying Edge Lux, but if you're skeptical or, you know, kind of anal about stuff like that, it is a Braid Lux and an Edge Lux, but it's all the same to me. And then the foaming wrap right here, this is a close-up of the foaming wrap so y'all can see. I'm so excited to use it. I don't have no appointments tomorrow, but I really want to just book an appointment to see how I use it. And then this is the scalp coolant right here. So y'all, I'm super excited. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Thank y'all for watching this video, and look forward to content regarding these products. I do post a lot on my TikTok. I post some on my hair Instagram too, but follow me on Instagram at Hair by Brittany, and then follow me, well, Instagram is @_hair by Brittany, and TikTok is hair HAIR.by_Brittany. BRITDANI. Oh my god. But yeah, just comment below what content you would like to see. I'm so excited to be releasing this video because I'm just so excited that I got product and I can use it. So yeah, y'all enjoy y'all day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys later.